everybody. I'm glad to know that you see me. And that is our first masterclass. Hopefully it will go smooth, because a lot of things may be still a little bit rough, but I hope everything will be fine. So today I'll show you how we do our water splash photography. Have you seen on the blog that red apple on red background? We'll do something similar. We'll have different kind of apples, different colors, and we'll play with apple, and then I'll show you same thing but without apple, just a splash, because it will be the same setup. What I will be using for this: the Canon speedlight flashes. Any type of dedicated flash will work, as such flash has very short flash duration, which can stop any movement. So it's probably like 1 of 10,000 seconds if it's not on a full power. Because on full power it will be a little bit longer. So the pool, inflated pool. Our kids love it. I love it. I will be using that kind of light stand with arm attached to it. It's easy, you know, to hang the flash on any part of the shoot. So three total flashes. Oh, one more thing, very cool stuff I have to show you. Because I use in studio the Paul C. Buff lighting, it's alien beads or white lighting. It has show you. So the reflectors and any light modifiers, it's like this. Even soft boxes, we have this very nice. Not nice, but whatever. On astrobiz.com, a while ago I found the way to make an adapter for Paul C. Buff light modifiers to work for any dedicated flash. So this PVC pipe basically is for all water, I don't know, drainage system inside the house, something like this. So the thread has exactly same diameter as Paul C. Buff lighting. So I can easily attach it like this. And from that side, what I did, this is the diffuser for Canon speedlight. Stick it inside, put any softbox or whatever you want here, and the flash will just go inside. So, why I did it? I want to make a nice rounded spot on the background. If I just use the flash, even if I make some kind of snoot on it, when I try to do it, it didn't come up round. It's like, it was more like square. So, what I will do is this. I will attach to Paul C. Buff reflector with honeycomb grid. This is 10 degree, you see it's very, very tiny. It's 10 degree honeycomb grid. It will produce very narrow, actually 10 degree beam of light, which you can focus on the ground. Now, on the camera side, everything is in manual mode. Manual focus, manual exposure. Okay, let me show what we use. The water is that simple. This is from kids set to play with, you know, kitchen. I mean, kitchen for kids. Anyway, so something small with technique. There is, I mean, it's easy to modulate the way how water is coming out. So let's try. 3, 2, 1. And what I need to do, I need to catch the right moment. 1. We throw water a little bit from behind, so it's bottom behind. When it hits the apple, you see what it does? It's nice. Oh, I like it. And let me check a few things in here. First, the focus. Focus is great. The second, the water. You see, even small particles, there is no motion trail, means it's very short flash duration, exactly what we need. And also, when you throw the water from the bottom, it hits the apple and it loses its speed. So it's not like when you throw something inside water, because the small sparkles, in this case, will have much more velocity. Here it's slow enough, which is good, works for us. Zhenya, I think maybe we need to move the camera a little bit down, because we're losing some space. Yeah, let's do 5-10 more times, and then we'll move forward with something else. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice. Well, not that nice. And go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 5. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Mm-hmm. 3, 2, 1. No, maybe you try to drop water exactly from on the bottom of the apple, not from the side. You know, behind and then. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, if you remove that pink stuff from there, it will look very, very, very nice. Oh, amazing. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
It's still there.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. And okay, we'll stop. I'll show you something which I was talking about before. On that previous shot, where's my? On this one, you see the water where it's transparent, it's very nice. But look at the top of the shot. That thing was on the angle where it reflected the lights, and you see how nasty and bad it looked. Because we don't need such reflection. So the water should be highlighted through. No, not good. Okay, looks like I lost my ability to throw water. Okay, 3, 2, 1. No? No. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I just need to remember where.
Oh no, it's really nice.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much, guys. I hope it was not bad. I hope it was cool, actually.